to another video presented by Raven Expeditions. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video to support my work. The relocation of the temples of Abu Simbel is quite an impressive story. It's an engineering feat even to this day. This video showcases the relocation process in photos that have immortalized this colossal project. Abu Simbel is Egypt's southernmost site. Situated in Aswan, is very close to the border of modern-day Sudan, ancient Nubia. This site has two rock-hewn temples, one for Ramses the Great and the other for his beloved great royal wife Nefertari. These two temples were originally carved out of a sandstone cliff in the 13th century BC during the reign of Ramses II. The mere thought of these monuments being hewn out of the rock over 3,300 years ago is quite awe-inspiring. Ironically, Abu Simbel survived through ancient times, only to be threatened by modern progress. In fact, this impressive site almost disappeared in the waters of the River Nile. The construction of the Aswan High Dam in the 1960s threatened many monuments in southern Egypt by the rising waters of the Nile that formed the massive artificial lake called Lake Nasser. The threat meant that these monuments would have been submerged under over 50 meters of water. There was thus an urgent need to salvage them. Undoubtedly, this was a technical and engineering nightmare. Thanks to an international effort led by UNESCO, during the 1960s, these temples were salvaged in a mammoth project that saw their relocation to their current location. This was a colossal 4-year undertaking that required thousands of hours of hard manual labor to preserve this great monument and the neighbouring temple of Queen Nefertari dedicated to Goddess Hathor. The dismantling and reassembly process required huge collaboration and great precision, with a very slight tolerance of only plus or minus 5 millimeters. Both temples were manually sawn into over 16,000 blocks that were numbered, stored, and later reassembled 200 meters further inland and 65 meters higher up. The relocation project cost around $40 million at the time, and the entire process was undertaken in 12 consecutive stages. The relocation was supervised by the Polish archaeologist Kazimierz Michajlowski, who oversaw a team of multinational archaeologists, engineers, heavy equipment operators, and laborers. The relocation did not involve merely the block-by-block removal and reassembly of the two temples, which was already daunting in itself. It further required the construction of two artificial hills or domes that were capable of withstanding 10,000 tons. Additionally, everything had to be precisely measured, since the new location had to perpetuate the twice-yearly phenomenon on 22nd February and 22nd October, where the sun's rays penetrate the length of the temple, illuminating the deities and the Holy of Holies, as they had done when the temple was originally constructed. The Nubian Museum in Aswan houses a scale model that demonstrates the original and current location of the two temples with respect to the water level. What's astonishing about this project is that almost 60 years later, unless you know exactly where the cut marks are located, they are hardly visible to the naked eye. In most cases, it's impossible to detect where the blocks meet. The project was described by Life magazine as one of the greatest challenges of archaeological engineering in history. And it was. It truly was. Enjoy this compilation.